Crews are heading back. Follow them and let's get that drop pod fixed. Remember, the brewery is to...
Lighting up! Come on!
Yeah, I forgot how good mine you can crack arrows and place them right.
Yeah, if you can get them on the ceiling. Let's try this.
Stick around! No!
Yeah, it works. Oh boy.
I have the high ground.
Good, because I do not. It's looking right at me.
Drag it out to me.
Ah! Exploding bullet. Oh, it's flip over. You can't see. Oh god.
Oh, and, yeah, get back to me.
Ah, the shark. Where are you? Where are you?
I'm gonna die. I said we should go the natural way, but no.
That is the way you're supposed to go. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck?
What is? Do you see my turret doing that?
Yeah, your turret's losing it.
What the fuck? Take a video of that. What the hell?
Engineer's best friend.
Fuck, I've never seen him do that.
It's just having to.
Get ready, guys. There's a horde of
Gonna jinx it.
Praetorians.
You know, it's been a while since we've seen a bulk detonator.
Or a crashes detonator.
Oh, we just saw one earlier.
Yeah, you're wrong.
Prepare to fight
Shit.
Oh, I'm.
Work, I would say.
Time for a round of pest
I hear him
control,
win.
team. We've got dreadnought platoons on our scanners, and you get to eradicate
Oh,
before
shit.
they turn into something even worse.
This is my welcoming committee.
Plenty of ammo. They can take a punch.
Alright, I'm trying to throw up.
Holy. God damn, this is a big cave. Yeah, yeah. Is this low gravity?
No.
Oh, I'm just.
Ready!
Too
Lighting up!
burning too early.
Got it.
I was born ready.
There we go. Didn't touch the ground.
Those are dug.
Excellent. I'm gonna get
Crap,
this red.
means I gotta get to work.
Yeah. This is gonna be a weird one. Coming sandstorm?
Lighting!
Easy.
It's just a breeze.
Oh shit.
Oh god,
Right when I can't see a thing.
Weapon ready.
there's a whole bunch of nitro down here on the ground if you want to grab it. Trev.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit!
Oh, you fell.
I died! I was...
I'll come get you.
I misjudged my zip line in front of me. I walked towards it and hit E. I'm like, oh, that's
Oh shit, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Uh-oh.
I'm
Get
coming.
ready.
Well, I'm using the refinement to try to come to you guys. It's cool looking, actually.
Nice shot.
I got the bacteria.
Thank you.
like command. And then finally, like, we get a swarm, and we're right up against a...
He's on me. I'll blow him away. Yeah, he's off me. He's on somebody else. He's coming back in your general direction.
Oh my
Where is the
god.
resupply
that was
pod?
So close.
You guys are good Swiss cheese.
I prefer to just not look at that and follow you guys.
Oh my god, this cave.
Lights
Oh
up!
my god,
God.
I looked, oh no!
Don't look, don't look. No, they're blocking out the light. Oh god, there's so many of them.
How'd you go flying up like that?
Ew.
Right.
Shit. Oh, hey, look.
Yeah, right next to Nitro, though.
Not just Nitro.
Wait. Oh, error cube.
An error cube.
Where the hell did that come from?
I don't
Was that
know, but it
laying
was
there?
worth me falling on my ass and breaking my coccyx.
But what it was it laying in the coral there? I didn't
Yeah,
even see
it
it.
was laying in the coral.
It's so weird.
Okay,
I'm
don't
sorry
do
about
that.
that. I'm so sorry about
Stop.
that. I'm so sorry about that.